Dreams are easier when you know the numbers. Hi guys. So I have seen some videos on the internet and people are talking about free education in Germany, but is that so? Because nobody talks about the money you need before you even step on the plane. And today I'm breaking down the whole cost from your home country to Germany. Only numbers, no motivation, and numbers hurt a little. This video is particularly inspired by a LinkedIn post from Nabia Shahid, who is a Pakistani researcher here in Germany, who have wrote this whole document for Pakistani students who want to come to Germany. Before you even apply, you need to be eligible. If you are coming from a non-English country, then you have to give them English proficiency, and in most cases they mean IELTS or TOEFL exams. And if we talk about IELTS, the IELTS exam fee is 180 to 190 euro. You have to pay that, and they don't accept emotional pain as a payment, and it's only the English exam. Then you will apply for the admission, and keep in mind that some universities have this application fee. If you are applying to different universities and they have the application fee, you have to pay that, and normally it's like from 50 to 100 euro. Keep in mind that universities love being different here in Germany. So you will find a lot of universities which don't have any application fee, or sometimes if they have the application fee, like in US, I have seen these cases. The students write to them email that I cannot pay this fee, and they have waived it for them. So you can do that as well. Then comes the visa. If you get admission, you apply for the visa and you need to pay 80 euros. Then two sub things in the visa category. You need health insurance and you need black account, which is the big player in this whole process. Black account is 11,200 something euros. You need that. It means that your 11,200 euros will be frozen in a German bank account for 1 year, and monthly they will release 934 euros or 950 euros to you, and you can use that. No black account, no visa. After landing in Germany, you think the stress is over, right? No, not yet. German says welcome and now pay. The first thing, rent deposit, which is from 800 to 1500 euros. Then comes the first rent, which may be from 400 to 600 euro, depends on the city. Hamburg, Berlin, and Munich hurts more, and Frankfurt as well. These are the expensive cities. You have to pay for the city registration, 15 euros. For your residence permit, 100 to 120 euros. Then comes the university fee, which may be from 300 to 400 euros depending on the city and the university. My university fee is 384, but I'm paying 334 because I'm a scholarship holder and I have this age of 50 euros exemption. The first week is the most expensive week in Germany. You need 2,000 to 3,000 euros for that. Not only for this week, but like to cover all your rent deposit, your SIM card, your food for your first month. So it will cost you 200 euros for the whole month, and sometimes maybe more because you don't know the prices and things and you cannot calculate accordingly. Because when I was here and the first day, I went to the shop called Rewe, and in Rewe I shopped for 42 euros, I think. And now when I go shopping, 42 euros like is 15 days shopping for me. I didn't know about things and I said, okay, this is 2 euro, 3 euro, 4 euro, and all the things went up to 40 plus euros. And so it may happen to you as well when you come here. You need to activate your health insurance. For example, when you were coming from Pakistan, you had this insurance, but that's called travel insurance. But when you come to Germany, you need health insurance. So it's up to you. You can buy it before coming, or you can activate it here as well. So yes, the education is free in Germany. By free means that you have to pay this 300 to 400 euros, which is semester fee, but no tuition fee is here. But you need to pay for your food, for your rent, for your all the things, and maybe if you come in winter, oh my god, today is so cold, so you need a lot of things to buy to cover yourself. Sometimes bring the things from your country, which will not address the issue of winter or maybe at the summer as well. So better to do your research before coming. And now you know that education is free, but getting here is not free. It will cost you a lot. The importance of this video, if you know these all costs, it's in your mind, then you can plan smartly beforehand. You won't panic. I would say save this video and share it with someone who is dreaming of coming to Germany.